This is a liquid level or water level controller. This has application at various places. It can be used at homes, buildings. It can be used at offices, for multi-story buildings, hospitals and various workplaces. It has a very simple operation. This system is attached to a sensor, and when the sensor decides the level of the water that is present in the tank to which this is attached. When the water level at the tank goes low, this instrument automatically starts the pump or the motor, and the water starts filling into the tank. After a certain time, when the tank has reached its level, the system receives the sensor again sends the system the required signal, and this system shuts off the pump or the valve. This is a very efficient system, and it can be used, and it is highly cost effective. The sensor that is used for this system is this system, which is this is a float level micro switch. It is highly effective and it is highly accurate, and it has no effect of water or any other impurities that may be added to it. It cannot electrolysis that are caused in various sensors. Electrolysis that are caused in various sensors due to the salt formation cannot also happen in this sensor. It is immune from such impurities. This is a highly accurate switch, and this has been used in our system at various locations. This system is available in different models, and it can be used at other different places. If you have any other type of starters that you are currently using, you can send us your details, and we will help you to suit your requirements to solve your problems. Thank you.